Unbox Ohuhu KAALA alcohol markers
Hi
with
there,
me.
marker lovers. Today I'm super excited to unbox the Ohuhu KAALA alcohol markers. I've heard amazing things about these vibrant, blendable markers, and I just can't wait to dive in and explore their creative possibilities. So I just got this from the courier earlier, and actually yesterday, but so happened that I'm just sharing this with you today. So let's start unboxing. So I actually decided late last year on what kind of skill that I want to learn for year 2025. So I have actually watched a lot of videos related to this product, and I'm amazed how this actually helped them create a more vibrant drawings using this alcohol marker. So what I actually tried KAALA series, and it is actually landscape tones on using it. So I just can't wait, and I'm so excited using this new product, new markers. Okay, so let's review what's inside. The pad that I have to put in under my paper, colorless blender, so I'll be using this also later. So let's unbox what's inside. See, so all right, so what's inside the box is actually this will be the landscape tones color swatches. All right, so let's see. Okay, let's have a closer look on the actual shade or swatches from this box. That I'm going to use for this swatch pad. So I think this is Y295. And yes, it's actually written here and it says it's barium yellow. Alright, so let's see. How does this look like? Actually, this KAALA version or series, KAALA series of Ohuhu was the latest, should I say, one of the latest kind of marker. One has a fine tip over here, and the other side is a chisel. Slim chisel, angled. That's beautiful. So let's try. Okay. See? Ooh, so perfect. And it's so smooth. I love it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is the guide, the color guide, and this is the actual shade of my swatch over here using this Y295 shade. Okay, so I'll just continue and pause my video here and let's see, and we'll come back after I finish this one. Okay. So this is the actual swatches that I actually did earlier. So which is again perfect for my needs for coloring, for my new hobby, because you know this will be a great help for me. So similar to this one is that